Hi, my name is Dr. Lena Gamble. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to be able to start this channel and produce videos that I think will be helpful to a lot of people. I intend to share some information and learn a few things as well. By way of introduction, I am a board-certified family medicine physician here in the U.S. I am passionate about three things. One is missions. I do medical missions all over the world. I love taking care of patients who really can't afford medical care and being that primary point of access for them in places when they really may not have that available. So that is one of the things I am extremely passionate about. The second is medical education. And so I really enjoy teaching not only medical professionals in other settings, particularly in other nations where they may not get the level of teaching that we get here in the U.S. So helping them to care for patients better in their own languages and in their own cultures is something I'm certainly passionate about, but I am also very passionate about helping patients understand what's going on with them. One of my very favorite things to do is to sit across from a patient and help to explain and help them to understand medical condition that they've been diagnosed with, options for treatment, things like that, that unfortunately, our medical system, our healthcare system doesn't really offer doctors an opportunity to just sit and talk and help people to understand and come to grips with what's going on with them and learn about all the different options that are available and help them to come to a conclusion regarding what option would be best for them and their family or their loved ones. So I really enjoy doing that. And honestly, I hope to use this platform to just kind of shed some light on things that patients really have lots of concerns about. So if you have any questions about any kind of medical condition or any kind of disease process, feel free to ask me. That's one of the things that, like I said, I enjoy doing. And I hope to maybe even form, at some point, a library of videos that just explain generally, what medical conditions people are facing so that they can make informed decisions about their own health care. So that's my second passion. And thirdly, I am now learning about this whole wellness space and what that means, what that entails, things like integrative medicine, functional medicine, natural medicines. There are certain things that we did not get a chance to learn in our routine medical education here in the U.S., right? Like things about how important nutrition is to health. There are lots of other alternative options for patients to use to improve their own healthcare and to be used for proactive wellness. I am excited about the opportunity to learn more about these things so that I can offer all of the options to our patients, especially if we can keep them healthy as opposed to only treating them once they're sick. So those are my three passions: missions, education, and wellness. So I look forward to sharing information that I'm learning here and also interacting with, the community at large and learning a few things myself along the way. I certainly don't know it all, but I'm very interested in being on this journey, being in this adventure, and hopefully connecting with others who are headed the same pathways in some ways, and we can share information together. So if there's anything that you have questions about, feel free to drop them in the comment. Okay, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's join this adventure together.